Hello guys and welcome. This is Faraz here. So in this video we will be installing Ubuntu on our Windows 10 Pro machines. But before we do so, we need to ensure a few things that are already configured or not. So in order to do that, I'll be pressing Windows R. Now this opens the run prompt for Windows and we need to type optional features. Once we press OK, we get a new window which says it turns Windows features on and off. So I'll scroll down and I'll look for something called as Windows subsystem for Linux. So it's here and it is enabled for me by default. It might not be enabled for you, but it's highly recommended that you enable it if you want to proceed further in this course, which I am sure you do. So we'll we'll tick this and we'll click OK. Now, depending on your computer, it might ask you for a restart or not. Since I have already done it, it's not asking me to restart. So go ahead and restart your systems. Now, once that is done, we'll open the Windows Store application and we'll search for the Ubuntu OS. So we'll type Ubuntu, uh, yeah, Ubuntu, and we'll be installing Ubuntu 2004 for the purposes of our course. So we'll click on install and it takes around, depending on your internet speed, between 30 minutes and 5 minutes. For me, it might take 5 minutes as I'm using a very high speed network. So I'll join you once it has been installed. Alright guys, I can see that the product has been installed and we'll go ahead and click launch. We're done with Windows Store for now, so we'll just close it and we'll focus on this window we have. So it's going to install Ubuntu for us and it might ask us a few questions to be answered. So let's give it a few moments and let's see what happens. Alright, we can now see that it is asking me for a new username. So since Ubuntu is a new operating system to begin with, it has a new its own username. So I'll have the same user as I do for Windows. So I'll just type my name, Faraz, and press enter. It's asking for a new password, so you can choose any password you want, but be advised you must remember this password whenever you want to install some software in Ubuntu. It will always ask you for this password. So I'll choose a secure password for mine and you can fill in your password. Also, if you see that you're typing something and the cursor is not moving, it's completely normal. It's a security feature to not show anyone looking into your screen as to what you're typing on password. So go ahead and keep typing it. So we see that the password has been updated successfully and now it has started installing and it has installed Ubuntu for us. And to check, we'll try some of the Linux commands. So let me type the calendar command, type CAL and press enter, and it's 12th September 2020 today, and hooray, it's working.